class 6. So today we are going to study word processors tabular presentation. So what do we understand with tabular presentation is when you represent a data or an information in a tabular or table form. Okay, so what is a table? So if you go to page number 24, it's written a table is an organized arrangement of data, text, numbers, pictures and other objects which consist of numbers of rows and columns. So as we all know, table is created by rows and columns. Okay, this is your table. Okay, so to represent your information in this figure by putting your information such as text, pictures, images, data, etc. So a column is a vertical series of cells in a table. Okay, the column is the vertical line and row is the horizontal line. So we need to study how do you create a table in a word processor. Okay, so students, now we learn the different way of creating table in Word. Okay, so first way is using grid. So where do we get this grid? Grid means when the row and column is mixed and a table is created, that is also called a grid. So where do we get this grid in the Word screen is first you will go to the top tab. Okay, so top tab, there you will see insert option. You'll just go to insert option, there you'll see the option for table. Okay, tables, there will be one option. If you click there, a box full of grid will appear. You'll take your cursor to the top box and you'll drag it till the rows and the columns which you require for your table. And once you drag it and you're okay with it, the same thing will be drawn out here. You just need to drag how many tables you require, then your table will appear in the page itself. Now the second option is to create a table, we will use insert table box. Okay, so where do we find this insert table boxes? The same process will follow. First we'll go to insert, then there you'll go to tables, and in tables, as I told, once you click in the option tables, this grid will appear, and below this grid there is an option called insert table. Okay, once you click there, a dialog box or a box will pop up. If you look at your book, page number 24, at the extreme left hand side, there is a box where it is written insert table box, number of columns and number of rows you want. You'll just enter the numbers of rows and the columns that you want and you'll click OK. After that, the table according to your requirement will be appearing out here in the page. Okay students, the third way is draw table. Okay, we have an option called draw table. You can draw your table according to your requirement also. Okay, so for that also same way, you go to insert. After that you will go to the option called table. Then once you go to insert and when you reach the option called table, again the same box with the grid will appear. It will be having an options below insert table, draw table. Okay, there you'll go and click. Once you go and click at draw table, a cursor will appear. With that you will draw your table accordingly in your screen. Okay, with the help of the cursor by using your mouse. So the last option we have is quick table option. So before going to the option insert, first you will go to your page, you'll go and click where you want to put the table. You'll click here, then you will follow the same procedure. Go to insert table, then this box will appear. Here you'll have first option as the grid, second as insert table, third as draw table, fourth as quick table. If you click quick table, the table will automatically appear here as you had clicked here and you had come to the option quick table option. So these are your 4 different ways of creating table in MS Word. Thank you.